Kia ora everyone, my name is Yuchen and I come from China. After years of studying and working, I began to ask myself what life could mean beyond work. Because I believe life is like a vast wilderness, a place where we can reset, explore, and rediscover our direction. This belief also inspires my research today, which explores what might hinder EV charging adoption on campus before any installation begins. Many early studies show that charging infrastructure remains one of the biggest barriers to electric vehicle adoption. However, the Owen Glen car park at the University of Auckland currently lacks EV charging stations. My study therefore aims to provide user-centered evidence to support future campus planning and design. The research question is, what are the primary user-perceived barriers? Physical, psychological, and navigational, to introducing EV charging stations at UOA, and how might specific design factors influence these perceptions? To address this, my study uses a mixed method design, combining both quantitative and qualitative elements. The framework has 4 parts. First, a literature review identifies key factors influencing EV charging behavior. Second, a quantitative questionnaire measures user perceptions of safety, accessibility, and convenience. Third, structured observation focuses on how spatial and behavioral aspects interact in real parking environments. Finally, triangulation links the 2 data types, ensuring that both perception and context are analyzed systematically. This mixed method design works for 4 main reasons. It is user-centered because it focuses on real user perspectives and usability concerns. It is evidence-based, building on previous EV and human factors research. And it is reliable and actionable because it combines data depth with practical insights that planners can directly apply. Altogether, this approach balances human experience with engineering practicality, which is essential for successful infrastructure design. To collect user perceptions effectively, the questionnaire integrates 3 validated scales. First, a 5-point like-to scale to measure agreement with design-related statements, for example, lighting, layout, or visibility. Second, a 5-point behavioral intention scale, which assesses how users might react under certain conditions, such as safety or system failure. And third, a 7-point semantic differential scale, used to capture the overall impression of the charging experience, from frustrating to pleasant, or from unsafe to safe. These scales were adapted from existing EV and human factor studies to ensure validity and comparability. The expected outcomes of this study include a validated questionnaire tool to support future planning at UOA, user-informed design guidelines to enhance safety and accessibility, and greater awareness of human factors, bridging engineering and psychology. As Truman once said in The Truman Show, "In case I don't see you, good morning, good afternoon, and good night." It reminds us that every ending is also a new beginning, in design and in discovery. Thank you for listening.